In the remarkable quest for protecting our vision as we age, few stories inspire more hope than that of Arnold, who at 82 years old has discovered the power of food as medicine in preventing cataracts and supporting eye health. If you find value in this health wisdom we're about to share about eyes, stem cells, and telomeres in relation to macular degeneration, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, subscribe to our channel for more life-changing information, and share this knowledge with loved ones who might benefit from Dr. William Li's revolutionary insights. Together, we can build a community dedicated to preserving vision and enhancing longevity through natural approaches that support our body's inherent healing mechanisms. The fascinating connection between what you eat and how your eyes function offers a promising path to maintaining clear vision throughout your life. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician, scientist, and author, has pioneered research showing how specific foods can activate your body's health defense systems. With his medical degree from the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine and undergraduate education at Harvard University, Dr. Li has dedicated his career to understanding how food can prevent and sometimes even reverse disease. His groundbreaking work focuses on how bioactive compounds in everyday foods can support stem cell regeneration and telomere preservation, two critical factors in preventing age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Your eyes represent some of the most delicate and complex structures in your entire body. As windows to the world, they process light and transmit visual information through millions of specialized cells and intricate neural pathways. The macula, a small but crucial area in the center of your retina, enables the sharp central vision you need for reading, driving, and recognizing faces. When macular degeneration strikes, this vital region begins to deteriorate, leading to blurred or distorted central vision and potentially significant visual impairment. What makes Arnold's story so compelling is how he has managed to protect these delicate structures, using nothing more complicated than thoughtful food choices informed by cutting-edge nutritional science. Stem cells play a vital role in maintaining your eye health as you age. Inside your eyes, these remarkable cells can differentiate into various specialized cell types needed for repair and regeneration. When damage occurs from aging, oxidative stress, or inflammation, healthy stem cells can replace damaged cells in the retina and other eye structures. The problem emerges when your stem cell reserves diminish with age or become less functional. This is where Arnold's nutritional approach becomes particularly relevant to you and your vision health. By consuming foods rich in compounds that support stem cell function, you can potentially enhance your body's natural regenerative capabilities and preserve vision longer than previously thought possible. Telomeres represent another fascinating piece of the eye health puzzle that directly affects how your cells age. These protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes act much like the plastic tips on shoelaces, preventing unraveling and maintaining genetic stability. Each time your cells divide, these telomeres naturally shorten, and when they become critically short, cells either stop dividing or die. This telomere shortening process is intimately connected with aging throughout your body, including your eyes. Research has shown that people with age-related macular degeneration often have shorter telomeres in their retinal cells compared to individuals with healthy vision. Arnold discovered that certain foods recommended by Dr. Li could potentially slow this shortening process and even support telomere lengthening, essentially turning back the clock on cellular aging in his eyes. The story of Arnold demonstrates how dietary choices can significantly impact eye health, even at advanced stages. At 82, Arnold noticed his vision beginning to cloud, an early sign of cataract formation. Rather than immediately pursuing surgical options, he consulted with experts in nutritional medicine who introduced him to Dr. Li's research. Arnold began incorporating specific foods known to support stem cell function, and telomere preservation into his daily meals. Within 6 months, he reported remarkable improvements in his visual clarity and contrast sensitivity. His ophthalmologist noted measurable improvements in his macular health during follow-up examinations, leading to genuine surprise in the medical community that typically views macular degeneration as irreversible. Colorful berries became a cornerstone of Arnold's vision-protecting diet. Blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries contain anthocyanins that help filter harmful blue light and strengthen blood vessels in your eyes. These powerful berries also contain pterostilbene and resveratrol, compounds shown to activate telomerase, the enzyme responsible for rebuilding telomeres. By enjoying a cup of mixed berries each morning, you provide your eyes with protective compounds that fight oxidative damage while potentially extending the lifespan of your retinal cells. Arnold made it a point to include at least 2 cups of diverse berries throughout his day, noticing improved night vision within weeks of starting this practice. Leafy green vegetables provide another powerful defense for your eyes through their rich lutein and zeaxanthin content. These carotenoids accumulate in your macula, forming a protective layer that filters harmful blue light and neutralizes free radicals. Spinach, kale, and collard greens topped Arnold's daily menu, providing not just these critical carotenoids but also folate that supports DNA repair in stem cells. When you regularly consume these greens, particularly in lightly steamed form to enhance nutrient absorption, you directly nourish the macula and support cellular regeneration. Arnold consumed at least 1 large serving of varied leafy greens daily, rotating between different types to ensure diverse nutrient intake. Fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids proved transformative for Arnold's eye health. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout contain docosahexaenic acid, a specific omega-3 fatty acid that constitutes a structural component of your retina. Research shows that these healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels that nourish your eyes while supporting the fluid membranes that protect photoreceptor cells. The connection to telomeres emerges from studies showing that omega-3 consumption correlates with longer telomeres in white blood cells, suggesting similar benefits might extend to eye tissues. Arnold incorporated wild-caught fatty fish into his meals 3 times weekly, specifically selecting smaller fish to minimize potential mercury exposure. Orange and yellow vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and squash provide beta-carotene that converts to vitamin A in your body, essential for the proper functioning of your retina's rod and cone cells. These vibrant vegetables also contain compounds that support stem cell differentiation in retinal tissue. When you regularly consume these colorful vegetables, you provide your eyes with raw materials needed for continuous renewal of light-sensitive cells. Arnold found creative ways to include these vegetables in nearly every meal, from morning smoothies with carrots to roasted sweet potato with dinner, ensuring consistent delivery of these vision-supporting nutrients throughout his day. Nuts and seeds emerged as powerful allies in Arnold's fight against macular degeneration through their rich vitamin E content. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts protect the delicate fatty structures in your retina from oxidative damage while supporting healthy blood flow to eye tissues. The zinc found abundantly in pumpkin seeds and walnuts activates antioxidant enzymes in your retinal pigment epithelium, the tissue layer critical for nourishing photoreceptors. When you incorporate a small handful of varied nuts and seeds daily, you provide your eyes with structural support while potentially enhancing stem cell production. Arnold carried a small container of mixed nuts and seeds for convenient snacking throughout his day. Vibrant spices like turmeric, saffron, and paprika contain powerful compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress in your retinal tissues. Curcumin from turmeric has been shown to activate telomerase activity in some cell types, while also supporting stem cell differentiation. Crocin, the active compound in saffron, directly protects photoreceptor cells from light-induced damage and may slow progression of macular degeneration. By incorporating these colorful spices into your daily cooking, you provide your eyes with protective compounds that work at the cellular level. Arnold began using these spices liberally in his meals, particularly enjoying golden milk made with turmeric before bedtime as part of his eye health routine. Green tea became another essential component of Arnold's vision-protecting regimen through its catechin content, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. This powerful antioxidant crosses the blood-retinal barrier to protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative damage. Research indicates that these compounds may also influence telomere dynamics and support stem cell function in various tissues. When you substitute other beverages with green tea, you deliver these protective compounds directly to your bloodstream and potentially to your eyes. Arnold enjoyed 3 cups of green tea daily, brewing it at the proper temperature and steeping time to maximize catechin content without excessive caffeine. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content provides flavonols that support healthy blood vessel function throughout your body, including the tiny capillaries that nourish your retina. These compounds help maintain proper blood flow to eye tissues while reducing inflammation that can damage delicate structures. The connection to telomeres comes from research showing that flavanol consumption correlates with reduced oxidative stress, a primary driver of telomere shortening. By enjoying small amounts of high-quality dark chocolate, you support the circulatory system that keeps your eyes nourished. Arnold treated himself to 1 small square of 85% dark chocolate daily, savoring it slowly to maximize both pleasure and health benefits. Dr. Lee emphasizes that consistency matters more than perfection when implementing these dietary changes. Your body responds best to regular consumption of diverse protective foods rather than occasional large amounts. Arnold created a simple system to ensure variety, using differently colored plates to remind himself to include foods from all the protective categories throughout his day. This practical approach made his dietary changes sustainable over months and years, allowing cumulative benefits to manifest in his eye health. You can adapt similar strategies to make these changes fit naturally into your lifestyle, perhaps using a simple checklist or meal planning tool to ensure diverse intake of eye-protecting foods. The remarkable improvements in Arnold's vision demonstrate that age alone does not determine your eye health destiny. Through deliberate food choices focused on supporting stem cell function and telomere preservation, you can potentially slow or even reverse aspects of age-related eye degeneration. Arnold's ophthalmologist documented measurable improvements in his macular health and visual acuity over 18 months of following this nutritional approach, challenging conventional thinking about the irreversibility of age-related eye conditions. Your own journey might yield similar benefits when you commit to these evidence-based dietary practices with patience and consistency. We invite you to join our growing community of individuals taking control of their eye health through nutrition. If you found value in Arnold's story and Dr. Lee's insights about foods that support stem cells and telomeres for better vision, please take a moment now to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health wisdom, share this information with someone whose vision health matters to you, and leave a comment about your own experiences or questions. Together, we can support each other in preserving the precious gift of sight through natural, food-based approaches that honor your body's remarkable capacity for regeneration and healing. What one protective food will you add to your next meal to begin your journey toward better eye health today?